Knowledge is power, and in the world of artificial intelligence, it's extremely important to know which models are best for each task. That's what makes the difference between wasting your time using models that really just want your money and don't even give good results, and getting top quality content in just a few seconds with a single prompt. And because I know staying up to date with AI news can be difficult, today I'm bringing you 3 AI tools that let you generate videos for free with no limits. I'll tell you right now, one of them hasn't even been translated into English yet, but I've prepared a translated version of the interface so you can be one of the first people to use it. And on top of that, at the end, I'm going to show you an extra AI that lets you remove watermarks from any videos you generate, so you can use it with the AIs we'll look at today and with anything you use in the future. If any of these tools help you, remember that supporting the channel helps us a lot. Alright, let's start with the first model. We're going to the 10-cent Hunyuan model section. If it loads in another language when you arrive, click this button to translate it to English. Here you'll find a wide variety of AI models for all kinds of things, from creating 3D models to what we care about today, video generation. The first model we'll use today is Hunyuan Video 1.5. To use it, we'll need to log in. I have a method so you don't have to register with any platform. Click login, and instead of using these options, click mail. Here you type any email address. You don't need to set any password. Just click get verification code, and the email you entered will receive a code. Paste it into this field and you'll be ready to use all the models on this platform. Inside the model, you'll see a very simple interface. You choose the quality you want your videos generated in. After a lot of testing, the fastest resolution is 720p. And in a few seconds, you'll see the quality barely drops at all. Still, if you want to generate in 180p, you can. Just keep in mind it will take longer to generate each video. Then you'll have the fields to add the prompt for what you want to animate and the section where you upload the images you want to turn into videos. I recommend leaving prompt enhancer turned on so the AI detects your prompt and improves it for an even better result. This AI is mainly focused on turning images into video. Don't worry, in a moment I'm going to show you a model you can use to generate images and then turn them into videos with this tool, plus 2 models that let you create videos using only text. But first, let's use this one. With it, you can create all kinds of videos, from realistic videos with detailed quality and horizontal format to videos with physics that don't break or create weird visual glitches. Remember that later I'll show you how to remove watermarks from the videos. One thing I really like is that even though there isn't an option to choose aspect ratio for horizontal or vertical, if you upload a vertical image, it will generate a vertical video, which is perfect for social media or other uses. Cartoon-style animations also look really good. And if you upload photos of people to create certain avatars, it has no problem giving them a realistic, natural animation without deforming them. If you notice in this example, I didn't even add a prompt, and it still animated it correctly. That's because if you don't add a prompt, the model understands the context of the image and gives it a natural animation, in case you don't want to waste time writing prompts manually. But if you want the highest possible quality, the best thing you can do is add prompts to make sure the images animate correctly. As you can see, this tool can make basically any kind of video. You just have to ask, and you can download it with a single button. It also generates fast. But if, like I said earlier, you don't have an AI to generate the images you'll then turn into video, I'm going to show you the perfect tool, Hunyuan Image 3.0. Once you're inside, like with the previous model, you'll have a super simple interface. You just add the prompt for what you want to generate. In the aspect ratio section here, you can decide the format you want your image to be in, which will also be the format of the video later. So it's very important that you decide right here what type of image you want to create. Then you choose how many images you want generated per prompt. Like in this case, we want several options so we can choose the best one. Let's set it to 4 images in one generation so we can pick the best. And a few seconds later, you'll have 4 ultra-realistic images ready to be turned into video. Pick the one you like most, download it, upload it into the previous model along with a prompt asking for the type of animation you want, and click generate. And as you can see, it animates perfectly. But if you don't want to generate images first, in a second, I'm going to show you 2 very powerful text-to-video models. The first one is Hunyuan Video 1.5 T2V. Here you'll find a video generation interface like before, but this time you can select the aspect ratio. Keep prompt enhancer turned on. Add your prompt and click generate. Just like the previous model, it can generate high quality, horizontal, realistic videos. Videos with physics, reacting in real time to what's happening, and vertical videos with no deformation or unnatural movement. It also generates videos of people where it barely looks AI generated at all. So you can create avatars with no problem. Alright, the third model we are going to look at before I show you the tool to remove watermarks is the new Hunyuan video model. Open this web page. Here you'll have all the information about the model. To use it, you'll have to log in again using the email method. And if you click try it now, you're in. As you can see, the entire tool is in another language. But don't worry, I've prepared a translation. So every time you're using this tool, you can look here to understand what everything says and use it without any issues. I'll leave the translated image on screen for several seconds. And now, we're going to start using it. Like we saw in the image, if we click this section, we'll get all the advanced options so we can better choose what we want to do. You'll see we are currently set to text to video. If we click here, we can select the aspect ratio. And from what we saw, the rest of the settings work fine as they are. So we just need to clear the prompt that's already there. Clear the negative prompt that's already there and add our own prompt for what we want to generate. Click generate, and a few seconds later, we'll have a high quality video ready. We can try different tests and you'll see it's capable of doing anything. The same goes for the second section, image to video. If we upload an image along with a prompt and generate it, it will bring that image to life in a natural and realistic way. Both models work with people, with vertical videos, and with any kind of creation. And like I told you earlier, I'm also bringing you a tool that removes watermarks in real time from any videos you create. Upload the video you want to remove the watermark from and enable the option that indicates whether the watermark is fixed or moving. Depending on the watermark, in this case it's fixed, so we'll leave it as fixed. Now, with your mouse, select the watermark you want to remove. If the watermark changes position throughout the video, just scrub forward until you find the frame where it appears in the next spot and select it again. Repeat that as many times as needed. And when you're done, just click Start Processing Video and it will return the video with the same level of quality, but this time without a watermark ruining your content. Follow the steps and you'll get access completely free. Thanks so much for watching.